Good morning, dear students. See what we are going to learn today. Today's topic is decimal, converting a decimal fraction to a common fraction. Decimal fractions you have seen, okay, in lower classes or earlier classes, I mean. Say numbers like, 0.96 or say 14.36 or what is that, 9.73, these kind of numbers, the decimal point, correct? All these numbers, so they are what, decimal numbers. And then we are going to change this kind of numbers, convert into a common fraction means, you have learned in class 4 say one number which is written by like this, numerator and denominator, like common fraction means say proper fraction, improper fraction, you have learned, correct? So this kind of things, okay, we are going to convert into those fractions. Say let me just take one example and try to solve. Say let me take one small number, like what number should I take? Just take any number, okay. Let's start from a smaller value, like say 0.6. let me convert this into a fraction, means I will have one numerator and I will have what, denominator. So for writing the numerator, look the step number 1. Remove the decimal point from the given number and write it as the numerator. Means this given number is 0 and 6 and there is one decimal point, correct? So just remove that decimal point. Let me rub this. It is what, when I rub, what is the number? You can see 06. So what is 06 actually? 06 means what? 6 only, correct? Am I right? So this 6 will be our numerator, correct? So what is our numerator now? Our numerator is only 6, okay. Our numerator is 6. And what about the denominator? Just look here, this is the question, correct, given number. Then for writing the denominator, you have to what? For the denominator, write 1. So you have to write 1 followed by as many zeros as the number of digits at the right side of the decimal point of the given number. Means this given number is 0.6, so you need to check the right side. This is the right, this is the left, correct? So at the right side, how many digits are here? This side, how many digits? You can see there is only one digit, that is 6, correct? So how you write the denominator? Denominator will be written, say 1, you have to write 1, correct? So 1 followed by how many digits are here? One digit, means you need to write 10, okay. If there are two digits, you have to write two zeros. If there are three digits at the right side of the decimal point, you need to write three zeros, okay, according to the number of digits at the right side of the decimal point of the given number, okay. So what is our denominator now? Finally, denominator is 1 followed by only 10, because right side of the decimal point there is what, only one digit, okay. So 6 divided by 10 is our fraction. And after that, the final step is what? Just try to cancel this, okay, by any common factor. Like you can cancel by what? 2 5 are 10, 2 3 are 6. So this 3 will be the numerator and this 5 will be the denominator. So what will be our fraction? Our fraction will be 3 by 5, okay. So this is a what? Proper fraction. So if it is a proper fraction, your answer is over, okay, answer is finished. So our 0.6 is converted into a fraction, correct? So decimal is converted into a fraction, am I right? So in this way, let me take one more example. Say let me take one example, like what is that? Say 0.08. this will be equal to, draw a line, correct? Now for the numerator here, what is the numerator? Okay, what are you going to do for the numerator? For the numerator, you will just what is that? 0 0 and 8, and where is the point? Point is here, correct? Now rub this point, okay. Point should be what? Erased. Remove the point, correct? After removing the point, what is this number? 008 is what? Only 8. So this 8 will be the numerator, correct? So what is our numerator now? Our numerator is what? Only 8, correct? Then below you need to write 1 followed by how many zeros? Say 0.08. Now count how many digits are there at the right side. One digit, another digit. So how many digits? total 2 digits. So if there are 2 digits, you have to write 1 0 another 0, correct? So what is our denominator now? Denominator is 1 and 2, that is 100, correct? The next step is just cancel by a common factor again. You can cancel by how much? You can cancel by 4. Okay, by you can cancel by what? 4. 4 25 are 100 and 4 2 are 8. Okay, so our numerator is 2 and denominator is what? 25. So numerator is, what is that? Numerator is 22 by 25. Okay, this is our answer, and this is a what? Proper fraction. Why? Because the numerator is less than the denominator. Numerator is less, denominator is more, correct? So that's why it's a common, this is a proper fraction. So if it is a proper fraction, just answer is finished here. Okay, your solution is over. 0.08 is equal to what? 2 divided by 25, this fraction. Okay, now let me take one more example, like different number. Okay, say let me take what is that? Say let me write 1.06. This one, how we are going to write? From this number 1 0 and 6, and here is the point. Try to remove this point. Okay, this decimal point, remove. How you will, sorry, if you remove the decimal point, okay, remove the decimal point, then how much you get the number? The number is 106. So this is the numerator. So what is our numerator now? From the given number, you just remove the decimal point. Okay, this decimal from here, if you remove the decimal point, it will be what? What is that? 1 0 and 6, correct? And for the denominator, you will write 1, correct? So just write 1, and then how many zeros? Count the number of digits at the right side here. You know, right side is how many? 1 digit, 2 digits. So here will be how many zeros? In the denominator will be 1 0 and another 0, correct? So finally our answer will be how much? Try to cancel again by a common factor, that is, common factor is what? 5 to 2. You can cancel both this numerator and denominator by what? 2. So 250, what is that? 50 are 100 and 2, what is that? 53, correct? Cancel this. Okay, so it will be what? Numerator will be 53 and denominator will be 50. So just write here 53 by 50. So this is finally equal to, okay. So now here this is an what? Improper fraction. Why? Because numerator is more and denominator is less. So just divide the numerator by the denominator in order to get a mixed fraction. How? Just look here, let me do the calculation. Just divide this 53 by what? 50. So what is that? 50, you will divide what? 53 by 1, correct? So 51 are 50, so remainder is what? 3. So in which style you will write the common fraction? You need to write in the form of quotient. Say draw a line, then here will be remainder, and down below will be what? Divisor. Okay, divisor, this is divisor. Okay, so what is our quotient? Quotient is what? 1. So write 1, draw a line, then what is our remainder? 3. 3 by, what is that? Divisor is how much? 50. So 50 is here. So our 1.06, this is converted into a fraction, correct? Yes or no? So like this you need to solve. Okay, you need to solve like this, and just try to practice at home as far as you can. There are so many questions in the book where you can practice all. Okay, you can practice in your home. Say you can look at your book page number, what is that? Let me tell you the page. Okay, let me tell you the page. What is that? I cannot erase this one. Okay, say let me just tell you the page number. Okay, just check in your book. Where is my book? book is where this one. Say you can check in your book. Let me check. Okay, yes, you can see in page number, what is that, page number 71. Okay, what is that, page number, page 71. Okay, exercise how much, 32, question number 1. Okay, from A to, what is that, A to L, you can see there, correct? So just calculate this one. Okay, and then if you cannot calculate, or if you cannot find the solution, if you cannot find the answer, just tell me, I will explain. Okay, or those questions you cannot find the answer, just tick mark and just tell me in the WhatsApp group. Okay, tell me in the WhatsApp group, sir, I cannot calculate this one, then I will give you the solution of those questions. Okay, I'll just make a video, short video, and then send it to you. Okay, in the WhatsApp group, just check the solution. And further, if you want to contact, okay, me anytime, so what is my mobile number, I don't know. Okay, just let me check my mobile number, 1 minute. What is my mobile number, just a minute. Okay, what is that, here. Okay, just a minute. If you face any difficulty, okay, you can just WhatsApp me. My mobile number is what, this let me write here in the screen only. Okay, and say my mobile number is, let me write here. Okay, how I will write, say what is that, my mobile number, 7 6. Okay, this is my mobile number. You can send me WhatsApp. Okay, you can just ask me which question you cannot calculate. This is my WhatsApp number. Okay, so just contact me here. Clear? And then I will give you the solution. Okay, till then, just check this video, pause the video, and watch again. Okay, so till then, so take care, and just let me know if you can solve this question number 1, and after that I will be telling you how to solve the question number 2. Okay, in the next period, next class. So for now, let me end the video here. Okay, thank you so much.